Quick dusting hacks for high ceilings and fans. Brooklyn, New York edition. Tired of dust collecting on your high ceilings and fans in your Brooklyn, New York home? These simple hacks make cleaning a breeze. Follow these 5 steps to keep your space dust-free. 1. Extend your reach. Use a long-handled duster, or attach a microfiber cloth to a broom handle to reach those high spots without a ladder. 2. Pillowcase trick for fans. Slip a pillowcase over each fan blade and gently pull it off to trap dust without spreading it around. 3. Dusting spray. Lightly spray a dusting solution onto your microfiber cloth to ensure dust sticks rather than falls. 4. Use a vacuum. If you have a vacuum with an extension hose, use it to suck up dust from ceiling corners and fans. 5. Regular maintenance. Make this part of your monthly routine to avoid heavy buildup and keep your Brooklyn, New York home spotless.